Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find and use the sound equalizer on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is simply open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select sound and vibration, and then scroll down to the bottom until you find sound effects. So tap on that, and then simply tap on graphic equalizer, and then you can find, and then from here you can simply find your sound equalizer on your Redmi Note 14. You can simply choose the one that you'd like, or if you want a custom one, you can simply choose a custom and adjust these bars or these little options to suit your needs. So that's basically it on how to find the sound equalizer on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.